Let's take a look at this linear function slash systems of equations problem. What we have here is x plus 2y equals 0 and x plus 5y equals b. This system has a solution -2, a. Determine the values of a and b. So this looks a bit strange, but if you remember that when we have a point and we plug it in, we can actually have the equation hold true, where the equal sign must make sense if this point indeed is on each of these lines. So let's use that strategy. Let's plug this point in and see what happens. So we have x plus 2y equals 0. So I'm going to just rewrite this as -2 plus 2y, my y value is a, equals 0. And so what ends up happening here is we have 2a, this part here, is equals to, I'm going to move this over, becomes a positive 2. So this results in a being 1. So we have a already. Check. Solved. Wonderful. Now let's take this point here and plug it in here as well. So what we have here is x, which is -2, plus 5y, which is a, but we know that a is 1, equals b. So what this means is that -2 plus 5 is positive 3, equals b. So we solved a, we solved b. Check. So we are done. The key for this question is to remember that we can plug and check points. When we say that there's a solution, it means that we have a point of intersection, and for point of intersections for two lines, we know that that point is on the line, so we are allowed to plug it in, plug and chug. So the next time you see a question like this, should you be scared and run to mommy, or should you be brave and say, you know what, this is really easy, we can plug and chug? And of course the answer is to run home to mommy.